Hello.
Can you talk to me about this football club, Barca?
What would you like to know?
What can you tell me about it?
What would you like to know? Where are you from?
I'm from Australia, so we play our own football. But where does this club rank in the world?
It's number one.
This is bigger than Manchester City?
Surely, yes.
Is it bigger than Man United?
Of course, yeah.
Is it bigger than Madrid?
Yeah, of course.
You reckon this is number one?
I mean, Madrid has 15 Champions League, so historically you could argue that. But right now, as a team, Barcelona are probably one of the bigger ones.
And what about your new stadium? Somebody told me that's going to seat 105,000. Is that correct?
Well, it's in construction, so I think so, but it's still a lot to do.
So that's it.
And
FC.
this is one of our stars in the female team.
Okay. So here is the stadium now under construction. It'll be called the Spotify Camp. It will be the largest stadium in Europe when it's finished. 3 massive screens inside the stadium. It will seat 105,000. It'll have 96 VIP boxes, 20 VVIP suites, 9,400 premium seats. It'll have high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the venue, advanced LED lighting, and a retractable roof. I'm here in September 2025, as you're looking at it now, and they wanted to open it then, but it won't be finished completely until December 2027. They will play games here while it's in the progress of being constructed, and it will be the best in Spain. I have been to Real Madrid Stadium, 85,000 in Madrid, and this will be better. What can you tell me about this club?
This club?
Yeah. Is there much you know about this club?
Yes, I mean, it's a club of my life.
Yes?
The club of my life.
You follow this club?
Yes, I'm from Barcelona.
All right, okay. How big is the club? Have you got any idea on the size of it?
The size?
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean?
Well, how popular is it?
Oh, it's super popular. I mean...
Do you know how many members it has?
Members?
Members. People sign up membership to go to the game.
More than 100,000.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. There are some towns in Africa that they were our kids, so it's super big, this club. Where are you from?
Australia.
Wow.
So I don't know much about Barca. I don't know much about it. Mm-hmm. We don't hear much about it.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we're a long way away. But it looks good. Now, Barca. What I was impressed with FC Barcelona is its foundation. Its club's charitable arm, dedicated to using sport as a tool for social inclusion, education and emotional well-being. It helps children in conflict zones, poverty areas and areas of natural disaster. It gives ongoing support for refugee children in Catalonia, Greece, Africa, Asia and Latin America. So it truly is a massive club. If you go to Barcelona, you've got to go there to see obviously the stadium when it's finished, but the museum, the merchandise room, or rooms. They're like a building with themselves. So yeah, it's a great club. It's obviously extremely well run. And yeah, I believe it when they say it's the #1 sporting organisation in the world. It's not just the new stadium that will be built, but FC Barcelona's training facilities are amongst the best in the world, if not the best. They're located just outside of Barcelona, a place called St. Joan d'Espí. They have 9 football pitches. 5 of them are natural grass, 4 are artificial turf. They have a mini stadium set up. They have an indoor training areas. They have residents on site, accommodation for the youth players who come there to train and their parents. FC Barcelona have academies set up around the world, special camps for children 6 to 18 years of age, located in places like Australia, India, Japan, USA and Spain. So yeah, it is an incredible club. I had no idea of the size of it, as you probably picked from earlier in the video, but I'm so glad I went there to see this club. And I've always said, if you build it, people will come. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.